Begin configuring your local favorites feed from the content menu by selecting the local favorites tile. In the next window on the left, you'll see a preview example of the local favorites results. On the right, set your custom name for your feed. Enter a location. Location can be defined by postal code, city and state, city and country, or latitude and longitude. Click the Customize this feed button to make further customizations to your feed. Set which categories you wish to include in your feed. Available categories are bakeries, barbecues, breweries, brunch spots, cafes, car repair, clothing, coffee shops, donuts, fitness centers, golf, salons, burgers, ice cream, Italian food, live music, Mexican food, parks, pizza, restaurant, sandwiches, or sports clubs. Set the language for your feed. This does not translate the events. Choose a style from the preset style buttons or select the custom style button. Options for the custom styling are some preset fonts or colors for the category, description, background, stars, secondary colors, image, intro text, and intro background. Set the duration. Default duration for the results is every 10 seconds. Set the animation. Animation options are full quality, minimal, or off. Choose an intro style, an intro background, and an intro message. Optionally set sponsor text and upload a logo, or set fallback text. Fallback text will be shown if no results are returned for the location given. Choose your delivery method. Available delivery methods are HTML, Media RSS, or direct URL. Click the Create Feed button to create your local favorites feed. This feed is included in the Everything plan. Learn more about subscriptions and the Everything plan at screenfeed.com/pricing or click on the video. Did you know that ScreenFeed is more than just ready-made feeds? We are your custom data integration and design partner in the digital signage space. Learn more about our full-service creative engineering at screenfeed.com.